Hello everyone, so today we have 2010 Honda Accord and it's a V6 3.5 liter engine. So we are going to change the alternator. So I'm going to show you step by step what you're supposed to do when you changing the alternator. First you have to remove the battery. It is 10 millimeter. You need the socket of 14 millimeter, 12 millimeter. Okay, so now we are going to take off the battery quick. Alright, so battery is removed, and now we are going to remove this water tank. You just have to slide this out, and now you have better room here. So first you need to remove with the 10 millimeter. So we are going to remove this wiring harness. So we require 13 mm. So we already removed the wiring harness. Now we are going to remove the belt. You need 19 mm socket for the tensioner, and it will go towards the passenger side.
बेल्ट છે તો બેલ્ટ ઢીલો થાય છે અલ્ટરનેટર પર કાઢજો ને કાઢ નાખ્યો.
Now we are going to remove this bracket quick. ભરે જો ને
નીચે જ કાઢ્યો ને.
હા, તમારે આવ્યો કટ કરવો પડે. Very bottom is 14 mm. Yeah,
Yeah.
we're doing. I mean, not a lot of business, but we're doing great nowadays.
I called Pet Boys and they said that they don't take like customer parts.
Yeah, that's why. That's why. In outside they don't do. This is 14 millimeter. So now alternator is out of way. Okay. Alright, so our alternator is out. We have removed this fan cover.